No. I'm just gonna go down fast. Let's hit the car. Can you drive stick? I'll sit in the back. I have to. Huh?
I think it loops around. Yeah. Down this hill.
Ready? Drive stick in.
Dude, if you can't drive stick, just let me do it. Oh, dude, you're gonna kill us. This is not the place to drive stick if you've not done it in a while, dude. Stop it! Okay, let me drive. Let me drive. Fucking, the fuck are we doing? Get the fuck out of the car. Get the fuck out of the car, ABC.